In an unfortunate incident, Kuki militants have kidnapped a mechanic N.Vincent Demanding located at Makhavasti near Sani Mandir along JT Road. According to police report, the incident took place on October 5 around 12:30 a.m. 5 unknown armed Kuki militants had forcibly entered at the work site of MS Vincent Demanding and threatened to drop them towards Chotobera site along JT Road in DI vehicles bearing number AS11DC 9301. Two workers of the company, Narahari Burman, 41's driver, and Vishnu Burman, 33 years. One is working under the MS Vincent Demanding as an operator of HDD machine, was abducted by the Kuki militants and also threatened them to drive the vehicle immediately from there. After driving a distance of about 5 kilometers, the vehicle was stopped by the militants and Vishnu Burman, 33 years, son of Sudhir Chandra Burman of Kalamati, Kuch, Bihar, West Bengal, was detained where and released the driver Narahari Burman, demanding a sum of rupees 15 lakhs as ransom. Moreover, one caller from mobile number 7896785168 also threatened the younger brother of Vishnu Burman, 33 years, son of Sudhir Chandra Burman of Kalamati, Kuch, Bihar, West Bengal, to his mobile number to hand over the said amount with dire consequence. An FIR has been lodged by the driver to the Jiribam police station. However, the kidnapped mechanic is yet to be rescued till the news is being filled.